Hi friends, welcome to Foodie Bites. Today we are making Boti Pulusu. Boti is lamb stomach and clean with hot water. After cleaning boti with hot water, cut into small pieces and wash it for 4 to 6 times. In a pressure cooker, add water to boti and turmeric and cook till 4 to 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, boti is boiled. Drain it and keep it aside. In same cooker, heat oil. Take one big onion and fry it till it's transparent. Add fresh ginger garlic paste and fry it. Add turmeric, boiled boti and mix it. Chili powder as per your taste and salt. Coriander powder and roasted methi jeera powder. Mix it well. Add soaked tamarind juice along with water. Cook for 3 whistles on medium heat. After 3 whistles, open the lid. Now add little sugar or jaggery to it. It gives very nice taste. And garnish with coriander leaves and dish out to the bowl. Boti Pulusu is ready. Serve with rice. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Foodie Bites.